did not have any Chinese New Year celebration because of the pandemic. So this year, to celebrate the Year of the Ox, to celebrate strength, to celebrate renewal, and to celebrate hope. We want to bring the Chinese New Year cheers to not just Boston Chinatown, but all around the greater Boston area. There's a large Chinese American community. So that's the first and most important thing. Given the most recent racial attacks against Chinese Asian American across the country, we want to show that the Asian American are united and that we are a community that is in solidarity and that we are against racism and against violence. The third thing is that we want just the people to get out, right? Instead of just staying home. It's not that we want people to come in contact with, other people, but at least they're all in their car, so they're safe in their car. And it's a way to also honor Tony Moy, because he just got his Congressional Gold Medal for his service in World War II. So we want people to recognize the contribution of Chinese American to this great country. So on one of the other vehicles, we have a banner of the Transcontinental Railroad. The Chinese provided 80% of the workforce on the Transcontinental Railroad. So we want to celebrate that as well. So we're gonna go by the Malden the Malden Police Department headquarters, and they're gonna meet us, and we're gonna present them with a fortune cookie and a case of orange to symbolize good luck, good fortune.
I want to say Happy New Year. Last year was a very trying time for the community. We want everyone to continue to come out and support all the businesses, the local small businesses in Chinatown, as well as throughout the city. We're wishing everyone a Happy New Year. It's the year of the ox, the year I was born, and I'm an ox. And I think the ox is going to bring new beginnings, and it's a symbol of hard work and strength and endurance. So Happy New Year!
现在在这个疫情这么严重的时期，很多行业已经很萧条。中国人我们希望把这个今天的活动，把这个新年的气氛提醒起来，让大家有一个更快乐、更愉快的一个好的一年。祝大家也是新年快乐，身体健康。